We got a new light fixture! Oh my gosh, I love it! Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you are new here. And yes, we got a new light fixture. So I wanted to give you a quick update on my loft space. You guys know I am decorating this space in an urban jungle theme for summer. And in my last video, we did a clean and decorate with me up here, and I told you I was thinking about changing out the light. I asked you to leave me a comment down below on which light you thought I would pick, and the majority of you thought I would pick this light, and you were so correct, because this light, oh my gosh, this light is an exact dupe, or almost an exact dupe, for the Restoration Hardware chandelier. And I will put up a photo here. That chandelier cost almost $5,000. And we got our chandelier for, wait for it, less than 10% of the price. So yes, it was a little pricey at $399, but I did get 20% off. So it came out to $367. And the quality, guys, the quality is so good. Perfect dupe for Restoration Hardware, which you guys know I love. So that is the first look, and let me show you what it looks like with the lights turned on. Oh my gosh. And this is how the lamp looks with the light on. So pretty. I love it. So that is one change that I have made here in the loft. It has given me Art Deco vibes, which I'm absolutely loving. I think the whole loft area, I don't know, it's giving me Art Deco vibe with the urban jungle theme in here. I absolutely love it. I still have to change out the items on top of the bookcase. I haven't found anything I want to change out there yet, but I did add this cute little side table with its brass top and black legs. This is actually a chess set that I haven't gotten out yet. That is also new, so you'll be seeing that. But I thought this looked perfect in the space as well. It came from Target. No, it came from Overstock. I want to say it was like $100. It was doing during a sale, Memorial Day sale, I believe. And then I also changed the painting over here, and I love it. This painting came from Home Goods, and I think it looks perfect here in the space. It was $129, and just look how massive it is. So pretty. So this is how my loft is looking for now. I will change out a few things for fall, not a lot, but a little. And one of the other things that I picked up was this canister set. Absolutely love it. This came from Home Goods as well. This was a big, oh gosh, popular item back in 2020, 2021, because it was giving Restoration Hardware vibes, and you guys know I love me some Restoration Hardware. This I picked up, it was $49.99. It's very big, substantial in size, so I absolutely love it. I think that was a perfect buy. And then these guys finally came in. I don't remember if I told you or showed you these or not. These came from Z Gallery. I love the look on these. And I just picked up some candles from Amazon to go with them. These were also on sale, a clearance find. I want to say one was like $29.99 and the other one was $39.99. Not bad for Z Gallerie. You just have to watch for sales. I also changed out the lamp in the space. I think it matches better with the lamp and our ceiling light better because it is clear glass. The other one was clear glass as well, but it was very small and it had a bluish tinge, so I didn't think it went well in the space, and I did switch it out with this lamp. These came from Home Goods a couple of years ago. I want to say they were $50 a piece. Again, part of my restoration hardware inspired decor, so absolutely love those and how they look in the space. So that is the quick update that I wanted to give you on my loft. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about my restoration hardware dupe chandelier. I absolutely love it. I hope you do as well. If so, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you are not yet a part of the iStylEmystyle family, I would so appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the family. I have done tons of summer decorating videos. If you missed those, I will leave them linked in the description box down below. And before you know it, it will be time for fall inspiration, guys. As a YouTuber, we have to put out things a little well in advance of the season. So fall, even though it's June, will be coming along soon. So the next thing you'll be seeing are fall videos, but I still have a few more summer. So if you haven't subscribed or you're looking for ideas for fall, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.